Alright, we got this little horse that we bought at the thrift store. Looks like somebody got to it with the purple paint. There we go. We're gonna use some of the products that we already have. Start with some, I believe that's the Rust-Oleum white paint. Yeah, I'm just kind of like using it for a primer to cover up that purple. I didn't want that purple to come through. Get a good coat on there. You can see my hands. That's where I was working on the statue for the flower bed. Okay, I think we got enough on here. Yeah, that little tail. I should have brought a rubber band out there for that little tail. Keep it out of the way. Alright, now we're going to mix up a little bit more of that plaster of Paris. Trying to get it like a thick pudding. About the consistency of. I think that was some sanding grout or some grout that I added to it. Yeah, that was grout. That wasn't plaster of Paris. I believe that was grout. Yeah. Okay. That was grout. But I just kept mixing it with water until it got like a thick pudding. There we go. I've been using in those recycling my laundry containers. Mix up stuff like that. Paint, cement. They're heavy duty. It's good. They're good to use for mixing up stuff. Alright, let's get this horse covered with some grout. And then we're just going to let it dry. The horse has dried really good and it's been sitting out in the rain. We've had 2 pretty good rainstorms since we put the finish on it. So the idea for the color on this is we kind of want it to look like a bronze. Make a bronze with it. So I don't have any instructions on how to do that, so I'm just going to wing it. And what I'm thinking in my mind is brown, gold, and black would probably be the colors I need to accomplish that with. So I've got a little bit of cocoa bean. I've got a little bit of midnight sky. I've got a little bit of gold. Some more brown antique and wax, and some more just black spray paint. And a little brush. Okay, let's get started. I think I'm going to start with the gold. I don't have to cover the whole thing with this gold, but I do want to cover all that white with something. And the gold is what I have the most of, so I'm going to try to cover up the white. Now, I'm not stingy. I can go and buy some more paint, but I'm trying to use up what I got. And sometimes if you stick with what you have, come up with some pretty interesting stuff. Okay. Let's go with the brown next. I wanted to do this project with a Superman. Grandbaby's got 2 Supermen about this tall. And I said, are you through playing with those? I like to have one. He said, what for? I said, I want to try to make a fake statue. He said, nah, I might play with them a little more. So, if he ever gets tired of those Supermen, we're going to do a man statue. Okay, that's the brown. Let's see about the black. Next time I'm going to shake the paint before we get started. I'm not sure if that's hurting your ears or not. Is this a flat? Yeah. Oh no! Now look at there. I had a black lid on there. Let me go ahead and mark that so I won't make that mistake again. Alright, that's white. Oh man. No worries. That's the good thing about paint. Okay, so I don't have black spray paint. So good thing I've got this Dixie Belle Midnight Sky. And how appropriate. We can call our horse Midnight. Hey, this might work better than the spray paint anyway. Yeah. Cool. Alright, that's making too much racket, so let me take that off. Okay. Okay, so you get the idea. I'm just going to be brushing over these colors, and then I'm going to take the sander to it and try to smooth it a little bit so the other two colors will come out. So I'm going to let Stephen play some music for you while I finish painting. Wondering if I should have went in reverse and put the black on the bottom. I don't know. Okay, while he's drying, I had visualized that he should be on a box of some type. So that's what we're going to work on next while he's drying. Or her. I don't know if it's a man or a woman. I don't know. That's where it's already been sanded. That's where it's not been sanded. Then you can see right here where it has been sanded. That's where it's been sanded. Not sanded. Okay. Now let's turn it around so you can see the paint. That's a coat of antiquing wax and a coat or a dry brush coat of that Dixie Belle gilding wax, bronze. And then this is the other wax that's on it, the antiquing wax from Waverly. Okay, I'm going to finish sanding it and bronzing it, and then we'll put it on the wood box and see how it looks. Okay, it's raining, so I'm going to have to stop again. This is the color I'm kind of going for. Take a break and we'll be right back.